Warning, I have never done this before and this is my first time using GarageBand, so don't expect it to be good. Anyway, let's get to the song. Before you can learn cancer, you've got to get mitosis. It's a cell division helps you heal and grow. Not all cells can do it, but most can. When they can't, it's G0 if you want to know now. In order to do mitosis, you need DNA, which is replicated in the interphase. Let's start there. The cell cycle consists of mitosis and interphase. It grows, does cell functions, as we know, copies DNA. Gap 1 is individual growth. We replicate DNA in synthesis. Gap 2 does the final prep, making sure the cell is ready for mitosis. Checkpoint make sure that it's all A grade. G1 checks for function. G2 for DNA mistakes. The last one checks chromosome meiotic spindle attachment in the metaphase. Speaking of which, let's get into how these cells duplicate. It starts in the nucleus where DNA is stored, organized into chromosomes, made of centrosomes and chromatids. Chromatid double, centrosome does not, but we count chromosomes by number of centrosomes that we got, so it's still the same amount of chromosomes in a cell. Humans are 46, now let's get to mitosis.
Mitosis stages of division.
Prophase condense the chromosomes, they become visible. Prometaphase, nucleus falls apart. Chromosomes bind to microtubules. Metaphase, centrosomes migrate toward the poles. All chromosomes attach to microtubules. Anaphase, shorter stage, chromosomes migrate to opposite ends of the cell. By the end, the number on both sides should be equal. Telophase, two new nuclei form, DNA condenses, mitosis is now done. But wait, I'm not done, cytokinesis has to happen, creating two new cells by dividing the cytoplasm. Now you get mitosis, let's get the cancer. Cancerous cells can't do their job properly, and they can't regulate their mitosis. Just keep dividing, numbers keep growing, causing problems like tumors and diverting food from the bloodstream. There could be many reasons cancer is caused, like UV toxins, genetic mutations. We can kill it with chemotherapy that targets excessive mitosis, but constantly dividing cells like hair or skin also become targets. That's all I have to say. Enjoy your day. Mr. B, please give me an A.